Hello everyone, I'm Marima Khanam and welcome back to Balaji Online Classes. I'm once again here to teach you something new, something you really find very difficult. This video is for 4, 5, 6 and 7th standard students. Today I'll be teaching you about tenses. Yes, I know you find it very difficult, but today all your doubts will be clear if you see my video attentively and nicely. So let's get started if you all are ready. Students, you have already studied what are tenses in your previous classes. Tenses क्या होते हैं? Tenses is the way verb indicate their meaning to time. Tenses are different forms a verb can take to indicate the time of action. जब हम किसी चीज के बारे में या कोई एक्शन के बारे में हम उसका टाइम स्पेसिफाई करते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड टेंसेस. टेंसेस आर ऑफ डिफरेंट टाइप्स. यूजुअली दे आर ऑफ थ्री टाइप्स: प्रेजेंट, पास्ट एंड फ्यूचर. एंड ईच टाइप ऑफ टेंस, these three tenses have other four categories. That is, the present tense has four types of tenses, that is simple present, present continuous, present perfect and present perfect continuous. The same way past tense also has these four categories: simple past, past continuous, past perfect and past perfect continuous. And the last one is future tense. Future tense also has the four categories, that is simple future, future continuous, future perfect and future perfect continuous. So let's get started with present tense. Present tense क्या होते हैं? A tense expressing an action that is done in the present, that means now, are called present tense. जैसे for those sentences or for present tense we use the base form of the verb, that is cooks, reads, walks. And what are past tense? A tense expressing an action that is done in the past or earlier are called past tense. Means, for example, walked, slept, drank. These are the examples of past tense. Now comes the future tense. What are future tense? A verb expressing an action that is to be done in the future or later are called future tenses. For example, will cook, will read, will drink, will walk and so on. Students, to learn about the tenses, about all the 12 types of tenses, you need to know the subject verb agreement which we have already studied in our previous videos. Subject verb agreement क्या होते हैं मैं आपको shortly describe कर देती हूँ, आपको illustrate कर देती हूँ. Subject verb agreement वो होते हैं when the subject agrees with the verb. When the subject is singular in the sentence, the verb will also be singular. That means you will add s to the verb when the subject is singular. For example, the worm wriggles. You understanding? The worm wriggles. Worm is one. We are talking about one worm, so we will add s to the verb. But when there are many worms, we don't add s to the verb. Worms wriggle. You need to remember this. This is subject verb agreement. You need to remember this, and this is very important to know in tenses. If you don't understand this concept, you will not be understanding what are tenses. You will face problem in changing the tenses into present, future and past. So let's get started with present tense. Present tense क्या होते हैं? Present tense जब आप कोई भी काम प्रेजेंट में करते हैं, यानी कि अभी करते हैं, like I am shooting. Okay, so this is what I am doing something in the present. So this is present tense. The first one is simple present. Simple present is simple, इसीलिए उसका नाम simple है. सिंपल में क्या करना है आपको? जस्ट आफ्टर द सब्जेक्ट जो भी subject है, though it is singular or plural, accordingly you will use the verb. Verb plays an important role. It is the main role of the verbs in the tenses. तो आपको focus क्या करना है कि verb किस तरह से use हुए हैं tenses में. If it is simple present, so how the verbs are used. Simple present में आपको क्या करना है? You don't have to do anything. You just need to write the verbs according to the subject. For example, I'll read an example. Reshma walks for an hour every day. So Reshma is the subject and she is a single person. So we are adding s to the verb and we'll make walk as walks. Reshma walks for an hour every day. Another example I'll tell you. Asan is a talented girl. So what are we doing here is we are using is for Asan. Is singular, Asan is singular subject. So we are using is for this. This is the simple present tense. So the next part is present continuous. Continuous का मतलब होता है जो चल रहा हो. That is continuing and that is going on. So what do? You add ing to the verb to make it continuous. For example, Sumit is cleaning his desk. So cleaning is the base form or the root form of the verb and we are using ing to make it continuous. So we write Sumit is cleaning his desk. Another example I will tell you, Mary is typing an email. Mary is the single subject, so we are using is with it, and with the base form of the verb we are using ing. So the next tense we are going to study is present perfect. Perfect का मतलब क्या होता है? That is done. So what do we do here? It is present and for present we use has or have. Has, you all know that we will use with the singular subject and have we will use with the plural subject. You need to remember this, then only you will be able to understand the concept of perfect and present perfect. So I'll read an example. Sumit has cleaned his desk. Has cleaned. Sumit is single and cleaned, has we will use, and cleaned the past form of the verb we will use. So it will become present perfect. Has plus past participle. So that is has cleaned. Another example, Mary has typed an email. Mary is single subject, has we will use with this with the subject, and typed past participle of the base form of the verb. The last one we are going to study is present perfect continuous. Present perfect continuous क्या होता है? Perfect, that is already done. You all know what to do. We will use has and have, and past participle of the main verb हम perfect में use करते थे, पर यहाँ पर continuous भी है, तो हम इसको कैसे लिखेंगे? I'll read an example and you will understand. Reshma has been attending yoga classes. So Reshma is single person, we'll use has with this and we will use been. Has been, have been to be used in present perfect continuous. So it is Reshma has been, and attending क्या होगा? Attend is the base form and we will use ing to it because it is continuous. So Reshma has been attending yoga classes. Asan has been scoring well in her test. So I hope you must have understood. What do we do in simple present? We use s to the verb. We will use accordingly. If the subject is single, we will use s to the verb. If the subject is plural, we don't use any s to the verb. In present continuous, we add ing to the base form of the verb. In present perfect, what do? We use has and had. Has and have. Has for singular, have for plural. In present perfect continuous, what do? We use has been, have been accordingly to the subject. So now let's come to the past tense. What are past tense? I have already told you that a verb expressing an action that is done in the past are called past tense. There are also 4 types of past tense, that is simple past, past continuous, past perfect and past perfect continuous as they were in present tense. So first one is simple past. You must learn how to change the verbs into past. then only you will be able to frame sentences. आपको पता है सिंपल प्रेजेंट में हम लोग क्या करते हैं, बेस फॉर्म जैसे walk है तो it will become walks, but बेस फॉर्म walk है तो it will become walked in simple past. I'll read an example. Amit was my classmate. Was is it is past. अगर हम present पे लिखते हैं तो Amit is my classmate, but we are writing in past. It is simple past, so we'll say Amit was my classmate. Another example I'll tell you. Mary cleaned Sumit's desk. Mary cleaned. Clean is the base form and simple past is cleaned. Walk, walked. Drink, drank. So you need to know all these things. Past continuous is what? Past continuous again when the action was going on in the future. So what we will do? We will again add ing to the base form of the verb. Let's read how we are going to frame the sentence. Bala Krishna was walking. Was is the past tense. Walking, we will use ing to the base form. Across the ground at night. The soldiers were. Soldiers are plural, so we'll use were. If the subject is singular, we will use was. But if it is plural, we will use were. Were running towards the fort. Soldiers were running. Running is the continuous form of the verb run. Okay, now come to past perfect. As I told you, in present perfect, what do you do? The work that is done, that is completed, so it is perfect. Okay, so again here what do? We used to add has. Okay, we used to add has to the after the subject. So what do we do here? It is past tense we are studying, so we will use had here. So how we are going to frame the sentence? Meenu had completed. But if we are writing in present perfect, we will write Meenu has completed. But in past tense, we will write had completed. 3 years of training before joining the academy. So I hope you must have understood how to change present perfect and past perfect. We will use has in present perfect and had in past perfect. Now the last one is past perfect continuous. What do you do here? We add, as we used to we use has been in the present perfect, we will use had been in the past perfect. We will write Meenu had been practicing. Had plus been plus ing form of the verb. Hard before she applied to the tennis academy. Now the next and the last portion is future tense. It is quite easy. What are future tense? A verb expressing an action that is going to happen in the future or later. That is called future tense. The first one again is simple future. What do? You just add will to the verb. Before the verb you just add will, and you don't have to see what the subject is. Like Mary will send her email after 5 minutes. Sumit will clean the room. Okay, you must have understood. What do? You add will before the base form of the verb, and you will not have to see how to change the verbs, or it should be in base form. Now the next one is future continuous. Again, you know what to do in continuous. We add ing to the verb. Salima will be writing the speech. What do you do in future continuous? Will plus be plus ing form of the verb. Meenu will be traveling to Kerala to meet her coach. Okay, now what do you do in future perfect? Perfect you all know, it is completed action. So future जो आप future में करेंगे. So how do you frame the sentence? Mary will have cleaned. Mary will have cleaned Sumit's desk. The villagers will have escaped. So what do? Will plus have or has according to the subject, and then past participle of the main verb. Now the next one is future perfect continuous. Future is that is done in the future later. Then perfect, that is completed. Continuous, when you add ing to the base form of the verb. So how do you frame the sentence? The workers will have been. Will plus have or has you will use according to the subject. Been you will use here, and then you will use ing form of the verb. That means you will add ing to the base form of the verb. So how are you going to frame the sentence? The workers will have been working for 10 hours by 5:30. Asin will have been studying when Arun telephones her from Australia. So I hope you must have understood the concept of using different types of tenses, the present tense, the past tense and the future tense. I don't think so that you must be having any doubt in these three types of tenses. You just need to read your lessons carefully and thoroughly, and I don't think so you will face any problem. Please go through all the concepts done in your books. This video is for 4, 5, 6, 7 students. So please, before doing your exercises, please do watch my video, and if you have any query regarding the lesson, just clear it up in the live session. Do all the exercises after downloading it from School Mitra, and please go through all the concepts taught in the video, and learn all the base forms and the tenses, how you change the tenses, and the verb, subject verb agreement you should know before studying this. You should know how to change the base form of the verb into past tense and how to change the base form into present tense. So if you know these 2-3 types of concepts, you will not face any problem in tenses. Please do all the exercises in books and copies nicely, and read the lesson as much as you can. So meanwhile, wait for my next video. We'll meet there, and take care of yourself. Bye bye.